Alright, starting with the glucose molecule, this is the energy investment phase. 2 ATPs come in and converts into 2 ADP, the 2 phosphorus attaches. Next, we enter the energy harvest phase, which then it breaks down into PGAL. And next, the NAD plus H plus into NADH, along with the phosphoruses. Next, the ADP comes in and converts to ATP, and that happens twice. Again, that was PGAP, now it turns into pyruvate.
This is what happens to one molecule of pyruvate, although there would be 2 within one glucose molecule. Coenzyme A aids in making CO2 and taking away carbon, along with NAD plus H plus taking the electron and turning into NADH. The result is acetyl-CoA.
Next is the Krebs cycle. It happens in the mitochondrial matrix just as the pyruvate oxidation does. Oxaloacetate mixes with the acetyl-CoA to produce citric acid, which then gets converted into a 5-carbon chain, changing NAD plus H plus into NADH and releasing CO2. Next, that turns into a 4-carbon chain, changing NAD plus H plus into NADH and releasing CO2 as well. That goes again into the next step, which then ADP plus PI turns into ATP. That goes to the next step, where FAD plus 2H plus turns into FADH2. And that goes right back into becoming oxaloacetate, which then NAD plus H plus is converted to NAD plus again. Electron transport chain. This happens in the inner membrane. NADH converts into NAD plus H plus. The electrons travel through the electron transport chain. FADH2 converts into FAD plus 2H pluses. The electrons then gets transported through. Next, H plus is actively pumped through the H pumps into the inner membrane space. The electron. Next, with the ATP synthase, H plus is pumped through the ATP synthase, which then ADP plus PI turns into ATP. Oxygen acts as the acceptor of the electrons. The oxygen added with the 2H plus 2 electrons gets converted into water.